Cleaning out the litter box is no one's favorite chore. Fortunately, self-cleaning litter boxes can take a lot of the hassle out of the job. They might not be the most exciting gadgets in your home, but they can save you time and keep things a lot fresher for both you and your cat. In this video, we're counting down the top 6 best self-cleaning cat litter boxes and sharing some key details to help you choose one that fits your home. Links to the products mentioned are in the description below. Number 6. PetSnowy Snow Plus. If you're looking for a basic self-cleaning litter box that keeps things simple, the PetSnowy Snow Plus is worth a look. This one has a clean, modern look and an open design that makes it easy for cats to get in and out. The rotating cleaning cycle gently sifts the litter after each use, helping to keep things fresh without too much noise. We found the motor runs very quietly, much quieter than some of the bulkier models out there. In everyday use, it does a good job at separating waste from clean litter, and the waste bin is fairly generous. On average, you'll probably be emptying it about twice a week if you have one cat, a bit more often for multi-cat households. In terms of usability, the controls couldn't be simpler. One button to start the cleaning cycle, and it takes only a few minutes to assemble out of the box. When it's time to clean the main unit, taking it apart is straightforward, with minimal parts to deal with. That said, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. The open-top design won't be for every cat, especially those that like to kick litter around. And while the unit looks great, it does take up a bit of floor space, so it's something to consider if you live in a smaller apartment. Overall, a solid starter option if you want to test out automatic litter boxes and aren't looking for too many extra features. Number 5. Neakasa M1 Open-Top. This open-top litter box offers fast, quiet cleaning cycles at a reasonable price. The Nikas M1 is built with a large capacity design that can easily handle homes with more than one cat. It's also one of the quieter models we looked at, which makes it a nice fit if you want something that won't disturb your space. The waste bin is easy to remove in line with a standard trash bag. It also holds quite a bit. In a 2-cat home, you'll likely only need to empty it about twice a week. In daily use, a cleaning cycle runs smoothly and does a good job keeping odor to a minimum, especially when paired with a good clumping litter. We also found that it holds up well with frequent use. The drum can handle multiple cats using it back-to-back without getting stuck or clogged, which isn't always the case with entry-level models. One thing that stands out with the M1 is the app connectivity. It gives you real-time updates on usage, cleaning cycles, and when the waste drawer is full. It's handy if you're away from home often or just like keeping tabs on things. The app also lets you trigger a manual cycle if needed. As with many open-top models, this one may not appeal to cats that like more privacy or tend to scatter litter. It's also a fairly large unit, so having enough space for it is something to keep in mind. If you've got multiple cats or a bigger space, this one's worth considering. Number 4. PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin. A tried-and-true brand with an easy-to-use smart model, the PetSafe ScoopFree SmartSpin takes a lot of the work out of keeping your litter box fresh. Instead of standard clumping litter, this one uses disposable crystal litter trays that help absorb moisture and control odor better than many traditional setups. One thing that really stands out is the app-based control. You could easily set cleaning schedules, track usage, and receive reminders when it's time to swap the tray. It also runs extremely quietly. Even during cleaning cycles, it's barely noticeable in most rooms. Odor control is excellent here, largely thanks to the crystal litter. The automatic raking system keeps the box tidy, and in most homes, one tray will last up to 3 to 4 weeks for a single cat. That's great if you want something that doesn't require much attention. Cleanup is about as easy as it gets. The pre-filled trays simply slide out and can be disposed of, no scrubbing required. For busy owners or anyone who travels, this subscription-based model can be very convenient. That said, the ongoing cost of the refill trays can add up over time, so it's something to be aware of before committing. Also, not every cat loves crystal litter, so if your cat is picky about litter type, you may want to test it first. Great for owners who want something nearly hands-off. Number 3. PetZone Smart Scoop. For those wanting a simple, reliable option without all the bells and whistles, the PetZone Smart Scoop is a solid pick. It's designed to work with standard clumping litter, so if you already have a brand your cat prefers, there's no need to switch. That flexibility is a plus for a lot of cat owners. The Smart Scoop uses a sensor-based cleaning cycle that automatically rakes the litter about 15 minutes after your cat leaves the box. If you want to trigger a cycle yourself, there's also a manual override button on the side. We found the system works consistently and does a good job of removing clumps without jamming, as long as you stick with good quality clumping litter. In terms of performance, the Smart Scoop holds up well against odors, though it's not quite as airtight as some of the more expensive enclosed models. For single cat households or spaces with decent ventilation, it should be more than enough to keep things fresh. One of the nice touches here is how basic and low maintenance the unit is. There's no app to set up, no complicated modes, just a simple machine that does what it's supposed to. The waste bin is straightforward to line with regular small trash bags, making cleanup quick and easy. On the downside, this model is a bit noisier than others, especially during the raking cycle. It's not deafening, but if your litter box is in a bedroom or quiet space, you may notice it more. And without app connectivity, you won't get usage tracking or remote control features. Still, if you prefer sticking with your favorite clumping litter and just want a reliable, easy-to-use option, this is a good choice. Number 2. Whisker Litter Robot 3 Connect. One of the best-known models on the market, and for good reason. The Whisker Litter Robot 3 Connect combines smart features with a unique rotating globe design that sets it apart from more basic units. It works with standard clumping litter, so there's no need to switch to a special brand or subscription plan. The cleaning cycle is triggered by a built-in sensor after your cat exits the box. The globe then rotates slowly, sifting clean litter and separating waste into a hidden drawer. Odor control is excellent, thanks to the enclosed waste compartment and consistent cleaning schedule. Even in multi-cat homes, the litter robot keeps up well, making it one of the better options for owners with 2 or more cats. Noise is minimal, especially when you adjust the cycle settings to run less frequently. Most cats adapt to it quickly after a day or 2 of getting used to the rotating motion. The Litter Robot 3 Connect also shines when it comes to usability. The waste drawer is large in line with a standard bag, so emptying it is quick. The app keeps track of usage, tells you when the drawer is full, and lets you adjust cycle timing or trigger manual cleanings. You also get helpful stats, which can even give insight into your cat's health. Disassembly for cleaning is simple. The globe lifts right out and the smooth surfaces make it easy to wipe down. There are a couple of trade-offs though. The litter robot does take up a decent amount of space, and it's one of the pricier models out there. But if you're looking for a proven performer with smart features, this one delivers. Number 1. Whisker Litter Robot 4. The updated version of a fan favorite, with some nice upgrades. The Whisker Litter Robot 4 takes everything that worked well in the previous model and makes it even better. The design is sleeker, with a smaller footprint, and it looks a little more modern in most rooms. One of the first things you'll notice is the improved odor sealing. The waste drawer is better enclosed, and the new design helps trap smells more effectively. The unit also runs very quietly, one of the quietest we've seen for this type of litter box. The cleaning cycle is almost silent, which is a big plus if the box is placed in a living area or bedroom. Another smart addition is the upgraded weight sensors. These track your cat's activity in the box and provide more accurate data through the app. This can be helpful for spotting changes in litter box habits that might signal a health issue. It also handles larger cats well, with plenty of space inside for them to turn comfortably. Performance-wise, the Litter Robot 4 keeps up with multiple cats easily. The odor control is excellent even in busy homes. The larger waste drawer means you won't be emptying it quite as often, which is a nice bonus. The app has been improved too, with a more user-friendly layout and better tracking features. Cleaning the unit is easier than before. The globe is simpler to remove, and fewer nooks mean less time spent scrubbing. Of course, the high price point is still something to consider. And, as with the earlier versions, some cats may need a few days to adjust to the rotating globe. If you want one of the smartest, easiest to use litter boxes out there, this is hard to beat. So that wraps up our list of the best self-cleaning litter boxes. Whether you're looking for a simple option or something with more advanced features, there's definitely a model here that can help make litter box chores a little easier. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. We'd also love to hear in the comments which model you're thinking of trying, or if you have any favorites we didn't mention. And if you don't want to miss future videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.